Introducing Napoleon's new built-in series for outdoor cooking you can escape to. True built-in design for seamless installation, the collection includes 3 sizes of stainless steel grills and an assortment of infrared sizzle zone and range-top burners in various sizes, a 2-stage power burner, and corresponding zero-clearance liners for versatile design solutions. Napoleon's range of grills include 32-inch, 38-inch, and 44-inch sizes, with rear infrared rotisserie burner and integrated rotisserie kit storage. The 44-inch grill features a dual infrared rear burner, allowing you to use both rear burners at the same time. One side grilling a rotisserie, warming rack on the other side. Or use both rear burners independently with use of the optional add-on rotisserie kit. A commercial-quality stainless steel rotisserie kit comes included and features collapsible rotisserie forks for compact integrated storage. Napoleon's burners consist of dual and single infrared sizzle zone burners. Achieve ultimate steakhouse perfection by searing in the juices, creating a delicious caramelized crust. Or choose from dual or single range-top burners, perfect for pan frying and sautéing delicious side dishes. Indulge your taste buds using the 2-stage power burner, ideal for seafood broils and large pot cooking. Built with superior quality and performance to last a lifetime. Create 5-star meals without leaving home with the shot-blasted stainless steel iconic wave cooking grids, which ensure consistent, even heating and are easy to clean. With the built-in trim design, the 700 series is easy to install with a seamless fit and finish for a polished and sophisticated look. And all grills and components feature interconnected lighting, so the nightlight control knobs with safety glow can be turned off and on from each other. Combined with Napoleon's built-in components and Oasis modular islands, your outdoor kitchen collection is sure to impress and provide versatile options for endless design opportunities. Browse our collection and let your imagination soar.